Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, we are gonna learn how to bridge rows in Google Sheets. So let's begin. First, open the Google Sheet with the rows you want to bridge. Now select the row that you want to bridge. Okay, this is the row that will remain visible as you scroll through your sheet. Now go to the View menu at the top of your screen. In the View menu, select Bridge and choose one row or the number of rows you want to bridge. So I am going to bridge one row in this document. You will notice that the selected rows are now frozen at the top of your sheet. As I scroll through, they will stay in my place. That's it. You have learned how to bridge rows in Google Sheet. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.